If you really want to learn how to import from China using 1688 without using agent, consider to watch this video because I'm going to show you step by step on how to add the product to cart, how to check out, and how to make payment to Chinese supplier without using agent. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and see how you get it done. So with that being said, let's dive into tutorial. But before we dive deep into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about importation business. So with that being said, let's dive into tutorial and see how to add product to cart, how to check out the product, how to add the item to cart, how to check out the item, and how to pay the supplier on 1688 and ship from China to whatever country of your choice. So let's begin. So the first thing I'm going to do, as you can see right here, so I'm going to use this product here as an example. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to add the product to cart. So for this one right here, I need 2 pieces of this. So for me to add, I have to click on here, this plus button right here, to add 2 quantity of this. I need 5 of this. All right, so for number 4 right here, I need 10 pieces. So I have to come here and type in 10 pieces. So 10 of this. All right, so for number 5 right here, this one right there, I need 15 pieces of it. So I have to come here and click on this plus sign right here and make sure I add it to be 15. All right, so for number 7 right here, this one right here, I need quantity of 5. So I have to come here and make sure I type in 5 right here. So the last one right here, which is number 8, so I need it to be 15. So I have to come here and type in 15. So I will just click on here and type in 15 figure, and I'll click on here to accept it. So everything in total is 50 pieces right here. So for me to add all this product to cart, I have to click on here to add the item to cart. All right, so having had the item to cart, we need to visit our cart and check out the items before we can make a payment. So for you to do that, you have to click on the top right here. This is your cart. Click on that. So it takes you to your cart, all the products you have added to cart so far. So you can see them right here. Now for you to make a payment, you have to, and check out, you have to click on this button right here. So all the products is going to be selected, just like what you see right here. So I'm paying 19.50 yuan to purchase this product. So we need to click on checkout right here. So at the checkout right here, you can still check all the products you have added to cart, and right here they will add 5 yuan for local logistics, so making everything to be 24.50 yuan. I'm paying for this to purchase this product. So for me to make a payment to the supplier, I have to click on here. So at this point here, you have to make sure your Alipay is checked, and the next thing you want to do is to click on this big button at the bottom right here to proceed to payment. Then click on this blue button right here to continue. Then enter your payment password. So right now you can see a proof that we have just paid successful for this particular product right here. So next thing we want to do right here is to click on this tab right here to close the pump up. Then what you can do, you can see now that our cart has been empty. This is because we have successfully paid. The next thing we want to do right here is to click on here to go back to our profile. All right, so I'm getting to our profile right here. By the time I click on here, you're going to see the product we just paid for. So you can see all the products we just paid for successful right here on the screen. So this is how to add item to cart, check out, and make payment to supplier without using agent on 1688, and how to ship from China. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about importation business. And lastly but not least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.